See this? This mistake happens before the first tile is even set. And most homeowners never see it coming. Looks fine. Until it fails. No coverage. Wrong prep. Shortcuts behind the tile. And it can look perfect the day it's finished. But what actually matters is what's underneath. Tile doesn't fail because of the tile. It fails because it wasn't installed as a system. Tile is a system. Proper coverage, proper prep, proper materials, all working together. Coverage, prep, system. When that's skipped, this is what you get. This is what failure looks like. Know what to ask. Know who to hire. Protect your investment. Independent Tile Project Review. Link below.